situation is, I shouldn't say much, but as of today, people should not just be panicky. I think be cool, calm. Everything is under control. 50 plus positive today came out. The trend maybe it keep increasing. We don't know tomorrow what will happen. Day after tomorrow will happen. But my only suggestion, request from the government side to all the citizens of the state to kindly stay safe, take care of yourself. And I don't have to repeat the same thing, wearing mask or your regular hand wash or social distance. I think that is already there in the mind of every citizen of the state. So what I'm trying to tell here is this: don't be panicky. Everything is under control, and we need to learn more that we have to live with the virus. And that if you talk with the medical scientists of WHO or of different state government, means we need to learn how to live with the virus. When I say you need to learn how to live with the virus, means remember the standard protocols which was already in place 2 years back. Let me just tell you, Omicron again, in fact it's a mild, it's a mild symptom, I should say. And those people who got positive yesterday, in fact they are doing well. They don't have much problem, be it breathing problem or be it the oxygen level, they are quite okay, quite fine, and as normal. Issued the order, the notification. Be it the citizens of the state or tourists or anybody coming into the state, we request them that you have to go through the entry point, and then you need to produce RT-PCR certificate within 72 hours. Or if you don't have that, you need to test. You need to go for RT-PCR test in the entry point itself. Not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above, our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way out. Well, people ask questions. I think I saw posted in YouTube this that. They said that what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there, and then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus. To kindly do that at the earliest possible, because the third wave has already started. So we will be safe only with vaccination. Otherwise, there is no medicine and there is no solution to this. Because this virus, you don't know when is going to end or when is going to leave us. But it seems virus will continue to be here, will continue to be in the community, even in our household. Therefore, I would request all concerned citizens of the state, please just go yourself to the vaccination center and get yourself also vaccinated.